election to be held definitely in December or June. Mahfuz Alam. Mahfuz Alam, advisor to the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, has said the 13th general election will definitely be held in the country between December and June, according to the announcement of the interim government chief advisor Dr. Muhammad Yunus. He said this while responding questions of journalists. The advisor said there is no doubt about it. When will the election he held will the hold election or not? There will be election definitely. He also said that partners and stakeholders